In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest free Twitter tracker for meme coins in 2025, and this one is actually on a platform called Axiom Pro. Now, in case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, once you're here on the website, which is Axiom Pro, what you have to do to get the Twitter tracker is as follows. So you want to go to trackers up here, and over here on the right is where you can customize your feed. So let me just show you how it's going to look like default, and let me just refresh this as well. There we go. So you want to click on customize feed over here, and then you have a few options. You can see your list, which is a list of your handles, basically the accounts you're following, and then you have the top subscriptions. So top subscriptions are basically the most subscribed handles over here, and if you want to, you can just add this over here by clicking add to your list, like that, and I'm just adding all of these to my list. If I go to my list, they are now over here. You can then manage them. You can hide tweets, hide profile updates, hide follows, and even remove them if you want to as well. So that's the first thing you can do, but of course, you're not limited to just these top subscriptions. You can add your own handles as well. So for example, you can go to add handle, you can type in, I don't know, Elon Musk or something like that, click on add, and you've successfully added that person. So after you actually do this, you can even export this and then send it to friends. As you can see, it's been copied, or friends can send it to you, and you can just import it by pasting it in here, clicking import, and you're good to go. So that's basically how to set this up, and then if I just refresh this page for this to basically start working, you'll see Twitter alerts are now opened up, and over here you've now got some Twitter posts from the people you are following. Now, what's great about this, and why I'm saying it's the fastest and the best in the game right now, is if you go to polls, you can basically trade meme coins, do whatever you want to, and in the meantime, you can click on Twitter tracker down here, and you can pull it up on your screen, pin it to the left or maybe even to the right of your screen, and it's always gonna stay there. Look, I'm just gonna go to a few meme coins like this one. I can go back to this one. I can look around, and Twitter tracker is staying over here. So it's always gonna be over here, and you can also open it as full screen in new tab for quick access if you want to. So that's basically what I'm talking about. This is the best Twitter tracker in the game right now. So it's Axiom Pro, and there's a link down below. As I said, if you want to start using it, this is the best way to do it. Use the link down below and sign up, and you'll even get a discount on the trading fees. So if this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.